Hey guys!
Welcome to our channel. We are
Roberto.
And I'm Magdalena. In this video, we are going to show you 6 intermediate combinations which will make you stand out on your next bachata party. If you're having trouble with some of the figures, make sure to check out the description below.
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around, since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone.
So for this one, guys, we start very close. So we are in the very close position. Let's do a basic first on place in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. So we start preparing the lady in 7 tap by raising this shoulder. And now we go into a side wave in 1, 2, 3, 4. So we end up sitting over here. Now we play a little bit with the hips in 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're isolating our hips, going to that one direction and then to the other one. Now we're sitting, then we do a reverse side wave in 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we prepare the cambré, and in 4 we bring the lady down like this. And now we do a cambré in 5, 6, 7, 8. And guys, as you saw, we don't need this hand to lead, so we can use it as decoration for a kind of like a head roll or a caricia. So let's do this one more time. We are here for the cambré. We prepare the cambré. We bring her down and we do the circular motion. And when she's coming back to us, we bring our hand here in her neck. We end up in a tapping and we go back in the basic. So guys, if this video is bringing you value, make sure to give it a like. And also, if you want feedback from your dance from us, or if you also want to learn more directly one-on-one with us, make sure to check out our Patreon in the link down below. But now, let's continue with the video.
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around, since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly.
The basic in the closed position in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we go into the shadow position. 1, 2, 3, 4. And guys, we're gonna turn to you so that you can see us. We are here in the shadow position. We're both tapping on with the left leg. We go into a basic to the left in 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, make sure that in 7, 8 you have connection here with the lady. You prepare the body waves. And now we do 2 body waves walking backwards in 1, 2, 3, tap. And we end up sitting in the body wave. From here, we do a little bit of isolations. First with our hips in 5, then upper body in 6, upper body in 7, hips in 8. And from here, and when we do 8, we do the isolation, and at the same time, we also stand up, because now we continue with the basic. The isolations are over. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We are no longer connected with our bodies with the follower, and now we push the lady with this one a little bit so that she goes in one direction and we go in the other in 5, 6, 7, 8. And we end up facing the follower, and from here we go into the basic.
So for the follow-up, be careful here, you don't make your normal basic steps, you have to do a step tap. So you start with your right leg to do the step, then you do tap, and you return, step, tap, and now you can continue with your normal basic step on 1 with the right leg again. 1.
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals.
guys, so for this one we are in the open position and we do our good morning shake with right hand and right hand. Let's go into the basic in 1, 2, 3, tap. We prepare the turn and we turn the lady over the shoulder in 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we turn the lady to the right side and we do our basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to change places with the lady and with both hands over her head. So we go 5, 6. And now on 7, guys, we do our turn. So we bring this leg here in 7 and we tap in 8 normally. Now that we have our elbow in this position, we throw the arm in 1 and we stop holding it here. So we go in 1, 2, 3, 4. And we end up in this position with our hands like this. Now, guys, we go and turn the lady over the shoulders again in 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we do an arm breaker by turning the lady and breaking this arm. So we go in 1, 2, 3, 4. In 3, 4, I bring this hand over her head to do a caricia. And from here I prepare in for the turn. And I turn the lady 5, 6, 7, 8. I prepare in 7, 8 the closed position. And from here we go with the basic in 1.
Comment below which combination was your favorite, and if you like them, make sure to watch our other video. You will love the other combinations as well. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye!
Bye!